Hello everyone, in front of me is VIVO Y16 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. At first, you need to open your phone dialer and go to keypad. And let's start with the first code, which is *pound, *pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got FCM Diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and also status to get some more knowledge, to get some more info. Tap on more icon and select advanced view, and actually here we don't have anything more. However, if you have some diagnostic status, it will be displayed right here. So let me go back. Another code that you can use is *pound, *25, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got a version test, so you can smoothly enter this code and check product name, software build version, preload version, and so on smoothly. Scroll all the way down and you can check, for example, serial number, IMEI numbers, and so on. So this is it. Let's go back. And another and also the shortest code that you can use is *pound, 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with IMEI and serial numbers. And that's it. So this is how you can use secret codes on your device. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.